Okay, guys, let's talk everyday math. So, you're only going to have one everyday math this week. It's due Friday. So, if you do this on Monday, you're good. If you do it on Tuesday, then you're good. You wait till Thursday to do it, you're fine. Just remember, if you do some of the work and do not submit it or finish all of it, it will not save. So once you start, you need to finish or at least leave it up in a tab or something. So if you needed help, you've clicked the link here. You've put your name. Okay, let's read these questions out loud. A bagel company bakes 1,872 bagels. They put them into a baker's dozen, which is 13 bagels in each bag. How many bags will they fill? If I have a total and I am putting them into a bag, I am dividing. I'm splitting these up. So you are needing to do 1,872 divided by 13. Here is your hint. There is no remainder. Number 2. James went to the store and bought 7 pounds of apples. The apples cost $2.39 per pound. How much did James spend on the apples? So 7 pounds. Each cost $2.39. So $2.39 plus $2.39 plus $2.39 plus $2.39. You can do that 7 times. If you are good with adding $2.39 together 7 times, that's perfectly fine. Or instead of skip counting or skip addition, you can always just multiply. $2.39 times 7. Remember to count out your decimal place. So $2.39 times 7. I have 2 decimal places I need to count out before multiplying. And when I finish multiplying, I need to make sure that when I finish multiplying, I put those 2 decimal places back in. Number 3, Gary drives 8 1/3 miles to school every day. 1/4 of his total drive is on the highway. How long does Gary drive on the highway? Hint, you cannot enter a mixed number. Big C. Okay, keyword here is of. If I do something of that amount, when I'm working with fractions, that means I need to multiply. I'm going to stop sharing for a second, and we're going to do this one together. So 8 1/3 times 1/4. Remember, multiplying fractions, no big problem. Top times top and bottom times bottom. But I got to stop for a second because I have a mixed number, and I cannot multiply a mixed number. I have to multiply fractions. So I need to turn this into an improper fraction by multiplying the bottom and adding the top. 8 times 3 is 24, plus one more gave me 25. So I have 25 over 3 times 1/4. Now I can do it. 25 times 1 is 25. 3 times 4 is 12. There is my answer. Do not convert it. Why would I not convert this? Because on your everyday math, it says you cannot enter a mixed number. You have to do the big C. So your answer for number 3 is right here. Number 3. This is your answer. Put this in on the computer. All right. Number 4. 2 friends split or share 1/4 of a pie. How much of the pie does each friend get? If I'm sharing something, I'm not multiplying it. I'm dividing it. So me and my friend are each going to share 1/4 of a pie. So what's being separated here? Am I cutting 2 friends up and feeding them pie? Or am I going to cut the pie up and feed it to my friends? I'm going to cut the pie up. That's right. So if I start with the fraction, I better do what? End with fraction. Good, good, good. Number 5. Mary has a bag of fruit which contains 38 oranges. She's going to share the fruit equally with Brittany, Laura, and Beth. How many oranges will each four friends get, and between which two whole numbers does my answer lie? Okay. A bag of fruit contains 38 oranges. She's going to share it equally. If I share something equally, what am I doing? I am dividing between Brittany, Laura, and Beth. How many girls is that? 3. So I need to do 38 divided by 3. And my question to my answer is, which two whole numbers does the answer lie? Between 11 and 12, 12 and 13, or 10 and 11? That's not the right answer. I don't know anyway. Okay. David grew 1 3/4 inches last year and 1 5/8 inches this year. How much has he grown in the 2 years? Just simply adding together two mixed numbers here. It gave you a hint. Cannot enter a mixed number. Do the big C. And your last one. A small bottle contains 177 milliliters of strawberry yogurt smoothie. One box holds 24 of those bottles. How many more or less than 4,000 milliliters of the smoothie is in one box? Okay, multiply these two numbers together. If one is 177 milliliters, how many is 24? So you need to multiply these numbers together. Your answer, is it more than 4,000 or is it less than 4,000? Pretty easy. As long as you watch this video, you should be good to go. Make sure you're watching your videos every day, guys. I really help you a lot in all of them. See you later.